Is lesson 28 for trombone. We will play numbers 66 and 67. Now, if you have already started looking at the scales in the back of the book on page 42, I believe, number 66 will look very, very familiar. It's called scale skill. This is kind of an introduction into playing scales. Okay? Let's go ahead and buzz through it. Again, we have slurs. Sorry, make sure you don't hit your instrument. We have slurs. So, make sure when you're buzzing it, you tongue correctly, or you articulate correctly. We had that code word not too long ago. So, we have ta-la, ta-ta, ta-la. Make sure you tongue it correctly so it sounds good. Here we go. Here's your first note. Alright, now buzz along and I'll play it. 1, 2, ready. And that was 66. So go ahead and rewind it and play along with me, and then we'll move on to the next one. Okay? Our code word for lesson 28, our code phrase is record yourself. Have you ever recorded yourself and listened to it? You might be surprised at how it sounds. One of the biggest and best helping ideas musicians have is to record themselves and listen to it. You may think you're playing something correct, and a recording will show you that you're not. You may not realize that there's that one half note somewhere that you're only playing for 1 beat instead of 2, or you're playing it for 3 beats instead of 2. Recordings don't lie. Recorders do not lie. They will tell you if you're playing something long or short, because if you play it too long, it's going to be too long in the recording. And on that same hand, if you think you're playing it wrong, you might record yourself and find out that you're actually playing it correct. Okay? So record yourself and see what happens. Alright, now number 67. This is what we call a technique skill, a technique practice. This will help us learn to move quickly. On the trombone, I would say of all the instruments that play number 67, this probably helps trombone the most. Because as you look at it, we go to C a lot. The first measure goes from B flat all the way to C and back and forth. So you have to move very, very quickly. Okay? The speed I'm thinking about playing it is about here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? You see there are repeat signs before and after every measure. We're just going to play each measure twice. Basically, when you have exercises like this, you want to play it 10, 15, 20 times, and you want to try to get faster and faster. So for instance, if I was to practice this to try to improve my skill, I would do something like this. Then after I get that feeling comfortable, I'll try to go faster. Then after I get that comfortable, I'll try to go faster. Now, for those of you that are learning about it, a trigger trombone is very, very helpful in these circumstances. I would love it if I had one right now. Alright, so we're going to play each measure twice. Okay, here we go. Go ahead and play this with me. Don't worry about buzzing it. Just go ahead and play it. Okay, here we go. 1 and 2 and ready. Did you play each measure twice? Did you get those 2 C's at the end? Alright, this was lesson 28. Thanks for joining me.